Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little knife, and part of this video is brought to us by The Mentalist. I like watching that once in a while, a good series, and also in part by Fireball Cinnamon Whiskey, brewed in Frankfort, Kentucky. Made in the USA, that's always a plus. Alright, let's take a look at this knife. It is a CJRB cardboard box. There's its Instagram. And you can see where it's made. Model number J1924VT. And I do believe that VT is for the color. So it came in a plastic bag with some desiccant in there. So this is the CJRB Ruffian. As you can see, it's kind of a purple. It's very purple. And as a side note, I just saw this on the We All Juggle Knives channel. So I sent for one and they sent it to me. Like I said, the serial number was on there. And this is a Dirk Pinkerton design. And you can see the Dirk Pinkerton initials or logo right there. DP, serial or model number J1924, and that is AR RPM 9 steel. That is a powdered steel. Starts out as powdered, turned into steel. So this is G10 purple. It's got a little texture on it, not too much. Does have that nice red accent at the pivot, and that is a ceramic ball bearing pivot. And you can see it's got that big opening thumb slot. Pretty easy to open. I would prefer a flipper. They could easily make this into a flipper. And you can see it's the Warncliff style blade. Nice and pointy. It's very sharp. Alright, so the blade itself measures out at right at 3 inches. And the overall length is right at right at 7 inches. And let's check the weight out on this thing. It's pretty light. So the weight is 3.1 ounces. That's a nice weight for an everyday carry. Does have a liner lock with some heavy cutouts on one side. It's got 3 big holes. Flow through design. And it does have a 4-way pocket clip. It's got a nice deep pocket clip. It's got a 4-way. There's 1. That's 2, 3, and 4. That's pretty nice. It's really a nice purple. I'm not sure if that's a royal purple or just a grape purple. And it's got some traction notches. You can see them there. Pretty nice. And they go the full length of the thumb opening. That's pretty nice. Also have traction notches on the G10 scales right there. Also right there. Front, back, up and down. Nice traction notches on this thing. Alright, so let's do a cut test. See if I can get some purple. So this thing came nice and sharp. Very sharp. Very happy with that. And last, let's do a drop test into, see if I can get a target here. This is just pine wood. I'll try a drop test from about 18 inches. Should stick easy, and it does. And there is the CJRB blade marking. So that's it for the CJRB. And today, I think I'm going to give a little cowbell to the Fireball Cinnamon Whiskey, brewed in Frankfort, Kentucky. Knock a bomb.